You think you know your car inside and outside? But wait, there are secret weapons hiding in your ride that you probably never use. These hidden features can make your drive safer, easier, and even more fun. And you've been missing out. In this video, we're counting down 5 amazing car features most people ignore. By the end, you'll be running to your car to try them. Note: some older or base model cars may not include all of these features. Availability depends on the make, model, and year of your vehicle. Welcome back to All About Mechanism. Feature number 1, blind spot monitor. Have you ever darted into the next lane, only to feel that gut punch that something's in your blind spot? Stop the panic. Blind spot monitors are like extra eyes on your side mirrors. A tiny light, or even a beep, tells you when a car is sneaking up beside you. It's literally a lifesaver for lane changes. Benefit: this feature can prevent a serious crash by alerting you to hidden vehicles. Quick tip: make sure the blind spot system is turned on in your car's settings. When it's active, watch your side mirrors. If a light flashes when you signal, hold on and let that car pass. Use it every time you change lanes. Feature number 2, auto hold. Imagine you're at a red light, foot cramping from holding the brake. What if your car could hold the brake for you? That's auto hold. Press the auto hold button once, take your foot off the pedal, and the car stays put until you hit the gas. No creep, no rollback, just peace of mind. Benefit: you get relief from foot fatigue in traffic, and hills won't scare you anymore. Quick tip: look near your gear shifter or the parking brake for a button labeled hold or with a brake icon. Hit it on when stopped. The car will lock the brakes until you accelerate. Trust me, your leg will thank you. Feature number 3, tire pressure monitor system. See that tire icon light still on after you just filled the tires? It might not be a real issue, just your TPMS needs a quick reset. The tire pressure monitoring system alerts you if a tire is low. Benefit: resetting it clears the dashboard light and ensures your system shows the correct pressure. Quick tip: first, pump all your tires, even the spare, to the correct PSI. Check the sticker on your door jamb or owner's manual. Then turn the ignition to on, engine off, and press the TPMS reset button, usually hiding under the dash or in the glove box, until the tire light blinks 3 times. Drive around for a few minutes. Boom! The light should disappear and you'll drive safer knowing your tires are spot on. Feature number 4, adaptive cruise control. Tired of playing the gas brake tango on the highway? Adaptive cruise control, ACC, is cruise control with superpowers. You set a speed and your preferred following distance, then the car will speed up or slow down all by itself to keep that gap. Benefit: it takes stress off your foot and eyes in traffic, and it automatically brakes if the car ahead slows. Quick tip: find the cruise control buttons on your steering wheel. Activate cruise like normal, then look for an adaptive icon, usually a car with waves or distance bars. Press it and pick how many car lengths to follow. Now let the car cruise. It even handles stop and go flow. It's like having a little autopilot. Feature number 5, cabin air recirculation. Stuck in traffic with weak AC? Try this cool trick: recirculation mode. The button with a car and arrow. It reuses cold cabin air instead of pulling in hot, dirty air from outside. Result: faster cooling and cleaner air inside. Tip: use it in heavy traffic or on hot days. Pro move: crack the windows first to dump heat before switching it on. There you have it, 5 hidden features in your car that can change your driving life. Shocked you didn't know these? Go check them now. Turn them on, use them, and notice the difference. Don't keep these secrets. Share this video so all your friends can drive smarter too. Smash that like button if you learned something new, and subscribe for more car hacks.